The amount of time it took me to set this up, unbelievable. I know this angle is crazy. This room I'm in is extremely small and I'm tall, and so when I record, it's just really, really difficult to get a good angle. And if I'm screaming, it's because I want to make sure the audio is picked up. So let's get into this video. The jeans that I have on the floor here in this tub or bucket are the jeans that I've had for a long, long time. I'm talking some of these I've had for 10 plus years. Usually what I do is I put them in this bucket when I don't really want them, but I kind of want to hang on to them. It's time that we go through this and see which ones I like, see which ones that I don't like, and I'm going to talk about each one, and then we're going to put them either in the keep pile or donate pile. So with all that, let's start digging into this bin. I definitely got these, I believe, at the Mall of America, a Gap, when they were on sale. Most of my jeans I always get on sale. You won't necessarily find me spend a ton of money on a pair of jeans. I'm not opposed to buying jeans brand new and like spending money on them, but if I can get them brand name at a deal, I'm gonna go with the deal. I'm undecided. We already did like the sit test, like if I'm on my motorcycle. So I don't know. I'm gonna put these in the maybe pile because they do make my booty look scrumptious, right? So we're gonna hang on to these. Okay, we're gonna keep these in the maybe pile. I'm not 100% sure if I want to get rid of these, so let's just put them in the maybe pile. The next pair of jeans are these Levi's. These are actually men's jeans, and they are a size 32, 34, which personally I like the 34 length the best, because when you wash things or wash jeans or wash pants and they are the standard 30, like 32, 33 length, they tend to shrink on me and then they look weird because they're not like completely long, but then they go short. They have been worn, girl. Like some old man probably had these for years and worked in them, and I washed them and you can still tell the person worked in these jeans. These jeans have not had a day off in their life, but now they are. They're gonna be in retirement and they're gonna be on my body, which, not that I don't work, but probably not gonna be, you know, going out and shoveling hay or tools, men's stuff, you know. So I'm not 100% sure if I really like them, because even though men's jeans are like so comfortable to wear, like these are so comfortable to wear, the butt placement of pockets on me just kind of makes my butt look like wide and flat. See, look at how nice I'm being, letting you look at my booty like this. I don't know if the butt is like my jam. I haven't worn these technically yet, so I should get rid of these, but I don't know. They're just comfy, okay? So I might keep these. I think I'm gonna keep these because like I've had these for a while and I don't know, I kind of like them, you know? Men's jeans, can't go wrong. I'm gonna keep these. Okay, so I know these aren't jeans, but they were in the box. So we have to try them on and I have to decide if I want them or not. So these are some high-rise corduroy flares, and they are by Lucky brand. These are a size 10, and the length, I believe, well, I think it was a 32, but they are definitely a lot shorter, and I don't know if you can see from your angle, it probably looks like a good length, but these are also kind of an awkward length pant on me. I just hate it when there is an awkward gap between like the bottom of the shoe and the pant. I don't know. I just don't like that. They fit pretty good, and you know, they're just a standard like brown corduroy pants, and they definitely have a flare on the bottom. They're kind of baggy in the crotch because then I have to like hike them up so that I don't get that, but there's definitely like an awkward amount of material right in here. To be honest, I haven't worn these in a long time, and they also do that weird thing on the bottom. I know you can't really see, but like they flare out too weird. Like it's not like a nice flare. It's like they flare out like right, maybe you can see it, like right at the bottom, they just boom, and I don't like that. So I think I'm gonna get rid of these because I haven't worn them. I don't know, they're just not giving me what I need. So I think I'm gonna donate these. So my next pair of jeans, these are my favorite high-rise flare jean I have bought in a long time. They're really, really stretchy. They are 8. They are a long. Whenever I wear these, I get so many compliments because they fit me so well. But the problem is when I first bought these, I was about 10 pounds heavier than what I currently am. And so now when I wear them, they are really, really loose. And I'm too afraid to, like, when I wash my clothes, I usually don't dry them in the dryer. I usually hang dry all of my clothes because, like I said, whenever I wash and dry jeans in a dryer, they just shrink so much. So that's how I was able to keep all the length on these. I love these. I'm definitely not, I don't know why they were in there, to be honest, because these rock, they're just a little too big. I wish I would have gotten the size 6. These are not a true 8. These are more of like a size 10. American Eagle jeans, they are great, but the problem is their sizing is so all over the place with pretty much all of their bottoms. I don't know. I'm keeping these for sure. I definitely got these at the American Eagle outlet when I went to the outlet stores a few months ago, like back in the fall of this last year, and I got these I think for like 20 bucks. They were really, really cheap. So love these. So these next pair of jeans are a true vintage, probably 90s, possibly early 2000s pair of express jeans. You can tell they're vintage just by the butt pattern. These are the types of jeans that as a child or like as a teen I wanted to wear, but I couldn't afford the cool brands because I just didn't have any money. These are cool. I'm going to definitely keep these. The only thing I kind of wish that they were a little different is, since I don't really have a defined hip, I do have hips, but I don't have a defined hip. Back in the day, companies would make their jeans with the ability to fit a body type that does have hips. And so a lot of times in these vintage jeans like these, and I don't know if you can see in the camera, but they always made them like hippie, if that makes sense. Like the jean has a hip built into it. So when I put them on my body, sometimes there's extra fabric on the side or it fits kind of funky. Like for example, when I go like this, I don't know if you can see it, there's like all this extra fabric because they're giving us the ability for a woman to wear these that has more of a hip, but I don't. So they kind of bunch up a little weird on the sides, but again, I don't necessarily tuck my shirt in for these jeans, but even though they are a shorter length, they're a good length on me. They're just real sturdy. They're a size 9-10. Back in the day, these would be jeans that would have fit me. Even though these are more of a true size 8. These are so cool. I think I found these in a thrift store. I think I got them at Goodwill for probably like maybe $6.99. It was less than $10. Definitely keeping these because I love them. I have not put these jeans on in a hot minute. Now these are just some Gap jeans, but the best part about these is these are true mom jeans. All the mom jeans that are popular these days are not mommy enough for me, if it makes sense. So these are definitely a true mom jean. They are a 10 regular if they're a size 10. This is more like a 28 or 29. The waist is so tight. It's almost too tight for my liking. It's probably like a 29 waist, and again, I'm more of a 30. They definitely fit, but these are definitely a mom jean. Like, look at that butt. Girl, my butt ends down here and the pockets are way up here. And again, I don't have hips, and so there's extra fabric on the outside. Not that it doesn't look good on my body type, but clearly I haven't worn these because they don't, like, I'm not in love with them. But I think they are so cool that I don't want to get rid of them, right? They are the normal length, but these, girl, these are mama jeans. These are 90s mom's jeans. They're not like the most flattering things in the world, and hopefully you can see that, but I can't part with these because they're vintage. When I bought them from Goodwill, and they were really, really cheap, and I just couldn't pass them up. So we're gonna keep these, but am I gonna wear these? Probably not, but I don't know. They're just too cool to get rid of. Maybe I'll have a mom's jean moment, you know, in the future. Who knows? Anytime I put on a pair of skinny jeans that are stretchy like this, I just cringe cringe because I just don't like skinny jeans anymore, which is funny because wide leg pants or like relaxed denim was becoming a thing. I was like, oh my gosh, but I love my skinny jeans. But now, after wearing relaxed wide leg jeans for a while, I don't know how I could ever go back to this. But these are American Eagle. They're a size 4, but there is absolutely no way that they're a 4. They're just really, really stretchy. These would be really big on somebody who was a 4. But they just have a ton of rips in them. The booty looks pretty good, but they're the super high rise, which I hate. The length of them is, they're not tight to my ankles. They're loose like this, and I hate it when skinny jeans do that. Let me tell you, when I first bought these and I wore them, they were really cute. People complimented me. I loved them. Now, I don't even want to wear these riding my motorcycle because it's like, they're so high-waisted and they're so tight, and I don't like them, even though they make my butt look good, girl. These are definitely going in the donate pile. When I pulled them out of the box before I put them on, I'm like, oh, there's no doubt I'm getting rid of these. I think I bought them actually at American Eagle on the sale rack for like $20, so it is what it is. Suck it in. Oh my god. So these jeans are another pair of Gap. I remember when I bought these. I've had these jeans since 2012. And you wanna know what? I never got rid of them. And guess what? Flare jeans are now back in style. And low rise. So they are definitely a lower rise or a mid-rise jean. They used to be way longer than this. Man, I took so good care of these because I spent a ton of money on these. I think I spent like $70 or $80 on these, and I thought, I'm gonna buy this one pair of jeans and I'm gonna have them for the rest of my life, and then I'll never have to buy another pair of jeans. And you know, fast forward how many years later, here we are. I've always kept these because I've spent full price on them at the time. That's what I tend to do if I buy things that are full price and they're really expensive. I usually keep it forever. I wish they were just like a little bit higher. It is what it is, right? It's like I've kept them for this long already, since 2012. Should I just keep them until the end of time, just fold it up? I think I'm gonna keep these because I was wearing these not too long ago because they came back in style, right? Because everything does. That's why you should only wear the things that you love. And I'm like, ugh. So I think I'm gonna keep these just because they're so nostalgic and they still somehow work in this day and age, even though they're really old. They're over a decade old. We're gonna keep these. Oh my god. Skinny jeans. The next pair of jeans, and I'm just like cringing inside because I know I'm not gonna want to keep these. I have the exact same pair, but it's in a longer version, and I'm not gonna try these on. So just imagine me wearing these, but it's literally the same thing. They're just a little longer. I remember when I bought these. I bought these back in 2020, I think, and I wanted a nice pair of stretch jeans that were a skinny jean. I wore these a lot. Now when I put them on my body, part of me just like cringes because I hate skinny jeans now. To put these on, it's like, oh my gosh, like, because the denim is so stretchy and like to your body. For a while, I'd wear these when I rode my motorcycle because they are really stretchy and it's not like the denim is getting stuck anywhere. But I just hate the feel of them this tight on my body. I don't know. And I just don't like them anymore. So I think I'm gonna get rid of these. These are just their high-rise jeggings. So if you've bought their jeggings before, that's literally what this is. And at the time, American Eagle did a deal. I remember exactly when I bought these. They did a deal where if you bought one at full price, which I believe it was like $60, would get the next one like half off. That's why I did it, because I was like, oh, I'll keep these forever. Skinny jeans will never go out of style. They've been in style since like 2013. But here we are where they're not in style anymore. So I'm just gonna get rid of these because I just don't like them. And this year is the year of me buying things that makes me feel good. If I don't like wearing it, I don't want to have it in my closet. I just don't want to be that person. So both of these pairs are going to be donated. Okay, so at the end, these are all the jeans that I decided to get rid of and donate them. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love getting new things, but it is so refreshing when I can just spring clean and get rid of things too. And let me know your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!